Hello kamatuklas! Welcome back sa isa na namang pagtuklas ng Aralin sa Mathematics. When we examine the fraction in our presentation, we will see that the denominator of each expression is the same. Dito, sa first given natin, we have 4 at 4, 5 and 5, then 12 and 12. That is what we call a like fraction or a similar fraction. And it will be included in our presentation, which is all about adding fraction with the same denominators. To begin, let us work on with this. Is this possible when adding fractions? Consider this example. 1/4 plus 1/4. So consider na i-add natin itong fraction na to. At ang gagamitin nating process is to add the numerator, which is 1 plus 1, and add the denominator, which is 4 plus 4. Kaya magiging 2 over 8 because 1 plus 1 is 2 and 4 plus 4 is 8. So, mapapansin natin that 2 over 8 can be simplified kasi pwede silang i-divide sa 2. So, ang 2 pwedeng i-divide sa 2 which is equal to 1 at ang 8 pwedeng i-divide sa 2 which is equal to 4. Hence, the answer when we simplify 2 over 8 is 1/4. Ang tanong, is 1/4 the answer when we add 1/4 plus 1/4? No, it's not the answer. Possible ba na 1/4 dinagdagan mo ng 1/4? 1/4 pa rin ang sagot. No. Hence, the process that we apply here is not the process in adding fraction, which is the common error when we talk of adding fraction. So, dyan tayo usually nagkakamali. So, wag natin immediately i-add ang numerator at numerator at denominator at denominator. It is based on the example. So, we need to work on with the rules that we are about to follow. First rule, examine the denominators. So, dapat i-check natin muna ang denominator ng given, whether parehas ba sila ng denominator or magkaiba ng denominator. Kasi magkaiba din yun ng magiging rules kapag mag-a-add tayo ng fraction. With this, magko-concentrate tayo if the denominator are the same. So, ibig sabihin, we will be talking of similar fraction. Then, after examining the denominators, add the numerators. So, yung numerator ang i-add natin, yung nasa taas. So, yun yung gagawin natin. Then, next, to copy the denominators. Since the denominator are same, so ikakopy lang natin yan. And the last is simplify if necessary. So kung pwede pang i-lowest term, so we need to work on with that. So kailangan ang ating sagot ay laging naka-lowest term or naka-simplified. So let's start with an example. So consider that we are going to add the 1/4 plus 1/4. So yung paring given natin kanina, but this time around, we will be working with the rules or the step na ipinakita natin kanina. So first step is to examine the denominators. So see that the denominator of this fraction is the same. So parehas sila ng denominator. So dahil parehas ng denominator, ito yung susunod natin gagawin. Add the numerators. So magko-concentrate tayo sa numerators. 1 plus 1. That is equal to 2. Kaya magiging 2 over, i-blanco muna natin because we will be doing or we will be applying the third step or the third rule, which is copy the denominator. So, ibig sabihin kapag parehas ng denominator, ika-copy na lang natin yon. Kaya ang magiging sagot natin ay 2 over 4. So, na-copy lang natin kung ano yung same denominator. Then, the last step is to simplify if necessary. So, 2/4, pwede pa siyang i-simplified? Yes, kasi pwede natin silang i-divide sa 2. So, both 2 pwedeng i-divide sa 2 at 2/4 pwedeng i-divide sa 2. Kaya, we have 1/2. Therefore, ang sagot natin ay 1/2. So, adding 1/4 plus 1/4, that is equal to 1/2. So, let us try to illustrate that para magkaroon tayo ng idea when illustration is given. So, consider mayroon tayong circle. Hinati natin sa 4 na equal part para ma-present natin yung 1/4. So, ito na lang ang piliin natin, itong 1/4 na to, plus this 1/4. So, mapapansin natin, kapag inad natin itong 1/4 na to at saka itong 1/4 na to, ibig sabihin pag pinagsama natin, so ang mabubuo lang ay kalahati or 1/2. That's the reason why the answer is 1/2. Okay, so let's proceed with the second example. Consider that we are going to add 3 over 5 plus 7 over 5. So again, examine the denominators. So similar pa rin ito, kaya anong makita natin ng denominator ay parehas, then add the numerators. So that is 3 plus 7, which is equal to 10. So over, i-blank muna uli natin, because we need to work on with copy the denominators, dahil parehas ng denominator, na i-copy na lang natin yan, kaya magiging 10 over 5. Then, simplify if necessary. So, pwede bang i-simplify ang 10 over 5? Pwede silang i-divide. Hence, 10 divided by 5, that is equal to 2. Therefore, adding 3 over 5 plus 7 over 5, that is equal to 2. Okay, so let's work on with the next. Okay, same step tayo. So, 12 ang ating denominator after applying it. Then we are going to add 7 at saka 8. So, kaya 7 plus 8, that is equal to 15. Blanco uli natin. Moving with the next step. So, same denominator. So, copy na lang natin yon. Kaya magiging 15 over 12. So, is it necessary that we can simplify 15 over 12? Answer is yes. Because we can divide both 15 and 12 by 3. So, para ma-simplify natin, because 15 divided by 3, that is equal to 5, and 12 divided by 3, that is equal to 4. So, therefore, the answer with this is 5 over 4. So, adding 7 over 12 plus 8 over 12 is equal to 5 over 4. So, let's have another one. How about adding 2 over 7 plus 3 over 7? So, na-examine na natin, same denominator. So, ibig sabihin, we are going to work on with adding the numerators, which is 2 plus 3, adding that, so that will be 5 over, na-iblanko uli natin. Then, copy the denominators. Kasi nga, parehas sila. So, we have 5 over 7. Is it necessary that we can simplify 5 over 7? So, it is not possible enough to simplify that. Hence, that is our answer. 2 over 7 plus 3 over 7 is equal to 5 over 7. And that's all about adding fraction with the same denominator. I hope natuto tayo, Kamato class. God bless us.